In today's video, I'm going to teach you a cool Canva trick that you can complete in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this technique will add a creative flair to your projects. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open Canva and create a design. You can choose from a wide array of templates or start from scratch to suit your particular needs. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. It's an intuitive platform, so you'll quickly find your way around. Next, we'll add a text box over a shape. To do this, select a shape from the Elements tab and then drag it onto your design canvas. Once you have your shape set up, insert a text box by clicking the Text tab and dragging your text box over the shape. This can add a visually appealing layer to your design. Now, it's time to adjust the size and spacing of your text. Making sure everything looks just right is key, so take your time here. Once you're satisfied with the placement, select the text box and navigate to the Effects panel. Here, you can use the Curve Text option to add some dimensionality to your text. Adjust the curve slider until the text fits perfectly over your shape. Continuing with our design, go ahead and add your preferred text to the design, and once again, click on Effects. There are various options to enhance that special look, so feel free to experiment with what stands out to you. For this particular trick, let's choose the hollow effect. This effect makes your text appear as an outline, giving it an attractive, standout look. Adjust the transparency to your liking for just the right amount of subtlety or boldness. With your text looking sharp, the next step is to upload an image. Choose one that complements your design theme, upload it to Canva, and place it in your layout. The image can serve as a backdrop, adding a personal touch to your design. Now click on Colors in the Styles tab. Canva offers an incredible feature that automatically generates matching palettes. This tool will help ensure that your text, shapes, and images harmonize beautifully, creating a cohesive and professional look. And there you have it. Canva effortlessly generates matching color palettes, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your project. It's a fantastic way to ensure that all the elements in your design work together seamlessly. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and that it inspires you to try new things in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore further and tweak the adjustments to make it uniquely yours. Happy designing, and see you next time.